Hello everyone, this is Richard. Let me introduce myself. My name is Richard. I'm a Taiwanese. Currently, I live in Manila. Actually, I have already stayed in the Philippines, working here for around 6 years. But so far, until now, I cannot speak Tagalog. And since because of this pandemic period of time, I cannot go back to Taiwan, and I'm still working here, still living here. So I decided to start to learn Tagalog. Okay, and I decided to upload maybe 21 videos to to show my progress of learning. And today I choose a topic of cooking, and I hope I can learn a lot of things from today's video. Okay, so don't say too much thing, let's practice. Okay, very few words. Okay, only one, two, three, only five. Okay, only 5 words. So let's start. The first word is enjoy.
Tamasa.
Tamasa is enjoy. Tamasa.
Gutom.
Gutom is hungry. Okay, gutom is hungry.
Uhaw.
Uhaw. Uhaw is thirsty.
Nakakadiri.
Nakakatiri, I always heard this. Nakakatiri is disgusting. Masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap, I always hear it from the commercial. Okay. Then let me try to practice few sentences. I think it's not much. How much is that? Okay, not much. So I will try to pick up, try to practice 3 to 4 sentences, and then I will end up this video. Okay, the first sentence is enjoy the fine weather.
Tamasahin ng magandang panahon.
Tamasahin ang magandang panahon.
Tamasahin ng magandang panahon.
Panasahin ang maganda panahon. And the next sentence.
Nasisiyahan ng babae sa masarap na pizza.
Wow, he speaks so fast. Okay, the woman is enjoying delicious pizza. Let me listen again.
Nasisiyahan ng babae sa masarap na pizza.
Nasisiyahan ang babae sa masarap na pizza. Nasisiyahan ang babae sa masarap na pizza. The woman is enjoying delicious pizza. Okay, next sentence is the family is enjoying a holiday meal.
Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pangbakasyong putahe.
Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pagbakasyong putehe. Okay, let me do it again.
Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pangbakasyong putahe.
Putahe.
Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pangbakasyong putahe.
Tinatamasa ang Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pambakasyon. No. Wait. Let me listen again.
Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pangbakasyong putahe.
Pambaksyong putahe. Pambaksyong putahe. Pambaksyong putahe. Okay. Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pambakasyong putahe.
Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pangbakasyong putahe.
Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pambakasyong putahe. Okay, not familiar but I will practice again. Tinatamasa ng pamilya ang pambakasyong putahe. The family is enjoying a holiday.
Ang lalaking nagugutom ay naghahanap ng pagkain sa ref.
The hungry man is looking for food in the refrigerator. So refrigerator is what? Naghanap is looking for. Pagkain is food. Sa ref is refrigerator. Okay, ang lalaking nagugutom. Ang lalaking nagugutom, the hungry man, is naghahanap ng pagkain sa ref. Okay, the hungry man is looking for food in the refrigerator. Okay, ang lalaking nagugutom ay naghahanap ng pagkain sa ref. Listen again.
Ang lalaking nagugutom ay naghahanap ng pagkain sa ref.
Ang lalaking nagugutom ay naghahanap ng pagkain sa ref. Next sentence.
Ang batang lalaki ay nagugutom.
Ang batang lalaki ay gugutom. No. Ang batang lalaki, the kid boy, no, the boy is hungry. Ang batang lalaki ay nagugutom. Nagugutom is hungry. Okay. Then, next sentence.
Ang lalaki ay nauuhaw.
The man is thirsty. Nauuhaw.
Ang lalaki ay nauuhaw.
Ang lalaki ay nauuhaw. Let me try
Ang
again.
lalaki ay nauuhaw.
Ay nauuhaw. Ang lalaki ay nauuhaw. Next sentence.
Nakakadiring lasa.
Nakakadiring lasa. Disgusting taste. Okay. Disgusting taste is nakakadiring lasa. Lasa is another meaning in Chinese actually. Okay, never mind. Disgusting taste is nakakadiring lasa.
Nakakadiring pagkain.
Nakakadiring pagkain, disgusting food. Okay. Nakakadiring pagkain. Okay, next.
Masarap na candy.
Masarap na candy. Masarap na candy. Masarap na pizza.
Masarap na pizza.
Masarap na pizza. Okay, next sentence. The woman is enjoying delicious pizza.
Nasisiyahan ang babae sa masarap na pizza.
Nasisiyahan ang babae sa masarap na pizza. Let me try again. Nasisiyahan ang babae sa masarap na pizza. Okay, this all for today's sentence and vocabulary. I learned a lot. And if you happen to watch this video, very appreciate it. And if you saw something wrong in my pronunciation or something wrong in this app, maybe the sentence in this app is not correct in the grammar, or the words is very strange, which is not using in modern Tagalog. Maybe you can correct me if it's wrong. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.